Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach, and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. Given the matrix A, find elimination matrices E21 and E32 such that E32 times E21 times A equals U, which is upper triangular. Then use the inverses E21 inverse and E32 inverse to factor A equals LU, where L equals E21 inverse times E32 inverse. We'll eliminate entries below the diagonal in two moves. First the 2 in position 2-1, then the 4 in position 3-2 after row 2 has been updated. Each elimination step corresponds to multiplying by one elimination matrix. The multiplier is target divided by pivot. 2 over 1 equals 2. Subtract 2 copies of row 1 from row 2 to create a 0 in the 2-1 spot. The elimination matrix is identity, except it stores minus L21 in entry 2, 1. This single number encodes the row operation. After multiplying by E21, the 2, 1 entry becomes 0, and we get a new pivot in position 2, 2. Next, we eliminate the 4 beneath that pivot. Now the multiplier is 4, 2 equals 2. Subtract 2 copies of the updated row 2 from row 3 to 0 out 3, 2. Same construction. Identity with minus L32 placed at 3, 2. That entry tells row 3 how much of row 2 to subtract. After both elimination matrices act, we reach the upper triangular matrix U. Those zeros confirm the elimination succeeded. Elimination uses minus multiplier. Reversing it uses plus multiplier. So the inverse just flips the sign of that one off-diagonal entry. Since E21 had minus 2 in 2-1, E21 inverse has plus 2 there. And since E32 had minus 2 in 3-2, its inverse has plus 2 in 3-2. Multiplying the inverses produces a lower triangular L that stores the multipliers. Pairing this L with our U gives the LU factorization of A. 2 elimination matrices push A to U. Then the inverse matrices pull the multipliers into L, giving A equals LU. These are the 2 elimination matrices that create zeros below the diagonal. The multipliers appear in L, and the simplified triangular system is U. Watch the next video to see how LU lets you solve AX equals B fast, especially when you have lots of different B's to plug in.